I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up recurring investments with Vanguard. This is a fantastic way to automate your savings and build wealth consistently over the long term. To begin, simply log in to your Vanguard account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the My Investments section, or look for an option related to automatic investments to get started with the setup process. Next, you'll need to choose which Vanguard fund or exchange-traded fund, or ETF, you want to invest in regularly. Think about your financial goals and how much risk you're comfortable with when making your selection. It's important to ensure that the investment you pick is eligible for automatic contributions. Vanguard offers a wide range of options, so take your time to pick the best fit for you. Now it's time to configure the details of your recurring contributions. You'll need to specify the exact amount you want to invest each time, perhaps $100, for example. Then, select how often you'd like these investments to occur, such as monthly, bi-weekly, or quarterly. Finally, link the bank account from which Vanguard will automatically draw these funds. This ensures a seamless and consistent investment schedule. Before finalizing, take a moment to carefully review all the details of your new recurring investment plan. Double-check the contribution amount, the frequency, and the scheduled start date to ensure everything is correct. Once you are satisfied, confirm your setup. Vanguard will then activate your recurring investments, helping you stay on track with your financial goals effortlessly. It's that simple to automate your savings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.